Well, boos, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys how I went from this drab, dry hair to this beautiful, shiny, healthy, bouncy, curly perfection in front of you using the Main Choice Proceed with Caution collection. So for this video, I am not going to speak that much because I really want you guys to watch and pay attention and just vibe out with me. But I will interject whenever I feel like there's something I need to explain a little bit more. So without further ado, let's just get to the video. So for these next couple of scenes, it's going to go by pretty fast. There's a lot of TV magic. But after taking out my hair, I'm going to use Stop the Damage pre or post poo mask. And in this instance, I am using it as a pre-poo to help soften my hair. I'm going to wrap it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then of course, TV magic right here. My hair is clean. And I'm going to jump into the Slippery When Wet shampoo. So once I get the shampoo lathered really good in my hair, I am going to wash it out. And then I am going to proceed with the 4-way conditioner. The 4-way conditioner can be used as a co-wash, leave-in, detangler, or rinse out, which is perfect for me because I tend to use many of my conditioners as a 4-way conditioner. So the next product that I am going to use is called the Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. And this is kind of a unique product because it has two products in one, as you can see here. And the yellow portion is the hair gel and the white portion is the edge gel. So of course for this video, I am going to be using the hair gel. So this is my hair wet after I have finished twisting it, and this is my hair dry. So it doesn't seem like much of a change, but it is dry, and now I'm going to remove it. So let's get to it. So before I add any more volume to my hair, I am going to apply the Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator to my hair. And this is just going to give my hair a little bit more shine and some oomph. So when I add that extra volume, it's just going to look amazing. This is it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video and you see how I achieved this hairstyle and this beautiful shiny bounce using the Main Choice Proceed with Caution collection. I hope you guys can run out and get your hands on this because it smells absolutely amazing and you can see my results. It speaks for itself. So until next time, peace, love, and deuces. Mwah.